How do I get a substring of a string in Python? I want to get a new string from the third character to the end of the string, e.g. mistring, to column end. If omitting the second part means till the end, and if you omit the first part, does it start from the start?
Python calls this concept slicing, and it works on more than just strings. Take a look here for a comprehensive introduction.
One example seems to be missing here: full, shallow, copy. This is a common idiom for creating a copy of sequence types, not of intern strings, column. Shallow copies a list, see Python list slice syntax used for no obvious reason.
A common way to achieve this is by string slicing. Mistring, a column B, gives you a substring from index A to B1.
Just for completeness, as nobody else has mentioned it, the third parameter to an array slice is a step. So reversing a string is as simple as, or selecting alternate characters would be. The ability to step forwards and backwards through the string maintains consistency with being able to array slice from the start or end.
If you